हाय फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई एम डेल नाजियर एंड आज मैं आपसे एक बड़ी ही इंटरेस्टिंग बात करने आई हूँ.
Hi everyone, this is Rushad Rana and today I will tell you about India's first and only bug bounty expertise program called 𝐻𝑎CKERS-VELA.
Hi everyone, this is Shafaq Naz. Welcome to 𝑠piderVilla Technologies.
I came across a company called 𝑠piderVilla Technologies. They have best expertise design programs and I was just amazed. I mean, some of them are so interesting, like industry internship, Spidermation, school to industry connect. Amazing. I mean, with 𝑠piderVilla you can learn a lot and you can become technologically sound and enhance your skills for tech growth with best of mentors.
Our dreams are our life and our passion will lead to fulfill our dreams. So if you're also passionate for aviation industry, you also want to fly high as an air hostess, then join now in 𝑠piderVilla Aviation Academy and give wings to your dream. 𝑠piderVilla has an expertise design program for cabin crew and ground staff with best mentorship and placement.
So no more worries for tech lovers. With 𝐻𝑎CKERS-VELA, you can learn a lot and enhance your skills from bug bounty growth with the best mentors.
So don't wait, join now 𝑠piderVilla Technologies, building futuristic techno minds.
Building futuristic techno minds.
Building futuristic techno minds.
Follow them on
Facebook, Instagram,
Instagram
Twitter.
and on Twitter.